Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is how to calculate exponents in Microsoft Excel. You're probably looking for something to the power of something else. And that's pretty straightforward in Excel because we have a function called power, which is also very straightforward. You can see here that I've got a 2 in cell A1, column A, row 1, and a 4 in B1. In C1, I want to find out what 2 to the 4th power is. Remember, always start your functions with an equals sign. That tells Excel that you're doing a formula, not just a straightforward value. So equals, the function is called power, all capital letters. And then in parentheses, open them and close them, and back arrow wants to go inside them. And we'll put A1, comma, B1. Once we hit enter, you'll see that it has 2 to the 4th power is 16. That is correct. If you want to see what it changes, 2 to the 2nd power is 4. That will always update itself based on the values of A1 and B1 using the function power built into Excel. I'm Jeff, and this was how to calculate exponents in Microsoft Excel.